It is tax season, y'all. Have you filed yet? Do you not know where to begin? It can get a little bit overwhelming and make me nervous too. So we have got you covered with Chelsea Geegan. She is the owner of Ava Financial Solutions, and she has the top 5 tax tips. Thanks so much for joining us, my friend.
Thanks for having me.
If there's somebody that I would go to, it would be you, because you're always cool, calm, and collected, and you will guide us. Because a lot of people, they get really anxious about this.
Really anxious and nervous about taxes. And it's normal, you know, because either you know or you don't, and you guys aren't the experts, we are. So that's why I always encourage people to hire a professional for sure.
Yes, it's worth it. Trust me, you all. It is worth it, especially if you do freelance work and have a lot to go through. So you're breaking it down 5 ways for us. So let's start off with the number 1. We're going to be talking about deducting a casualty or any losses from Hurricane Beryl. I didn't think about this.
Yeah, most people typically do take the standard deduction on their taxes based off of their filing status. We're here in Houston, we're talking about having a freeze in the next couple of days. We're always having these unexpected, you know, things that may cost, you know, us to have losses due to our personal property or our business property. I had a lot of losses from my business this year and filed an insurance claim, and, you know, they blamed Centerpoint and things of that sort. So that money needs to be accounted for, and, you know, instead of taking a standard deduction, which some of these losses could be higher, you itemize, and Beryl is one of those things that took place in the tax year last year, so we can write those things off.
Okay, I like that. This is good. Now talk to me, if you're retired, what should we be knowing, like my parents?
We definitely should be contributing to our IRAs, our HSAs, and our Roths. You know, those are really great ways to minimize some of your tax liability.
Okay, that's a good tip too. So number 3, I know I have this one, child tax credit, and then also dependent care credit. Tell me about this.
Yeah, so your earned income credit and your child tax credit go hand in hand. Of course, the IRS is very practical. People get really nervous about the IRS, but they're real people just like we are, right? So if you make money and you have children, they assume that you've spent majority of your funds on your children.
Diapers, honey, they're not cheap.
Right. So again, the itemization, writing off the child care dependent care, which means not only daycare, but if you have a nanny or even someone that comes to your home, you can write those things off as well.
Oh my gosh, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Okay, so number 4, plan for capital gains taxes. Tell me about this.
I think it's really important for people to assess how long they've had the asset and figure out, you know, that part of it, because capital gains tend to be lower if you file them for long-term versus short-term. So if you have any type of capital gains, make sure that you're speaking and you're talking to your accountant so that you can write off that correctly.
And this one, I actually was very surprised about this. Medical expenses. You can itemize that too.
Yeah, any type of prescriptions, co-pays, even mileage going to doctor's appointments. But again, this is a part of itemizing. A lot of our online TurboTax and things of that sort, they're doing 1040 easy, so they're making you take the standard deduction. Getting a professional will help you write off some of these things. And another itemization would be sales taxes. Sometimes when you're purchasing large things and you pay sales taxes on those items, those things could be wrote off. So at times when you itemize, it ends up being more than the standard deduction. So knowing all the things that you can write off, gifts to charity, all of those things can be wrote.
Then also, my husband and I, when we got married, should you file separate or should you file together? What's the right, you know, decision for that?
I feel like the IRS typically favors more of a family dynamic because they know that all the money is staying within the home. The standard deduction is higher for individuals that are married versus filing separate. So if you guys file separate, your standard deduction is going to be the same as a single person versus it being combined and you get more
Okay.
So it would make the most sense for you guys to file together.
Yeah, that's
and
what we're
legally you have to.
Good to know. What is the #1 mistake people make this time of year?
Definitely filing too early. A lot of people have been really excited about getting their refunds, and what happens is some of the employers have until January 31st to send you your documents. That's 1099s, W-2s, any type of retirement forms. So sometimes people will hurry up and file, and then they realize that they've left off a form.
Well, then
and
what do you do?
We have to go in and we have to amend it. Amendments take forever. It turns into a longer process.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Yeah.
This is amazing. You have opened my eyes, and you've also, I think we just need to give her a call. So how can we get in touch with you? Because you know your stuff, girl.
Yeah, so you guys can contact me. AskAvaNow.com is my website. Very simple. And you can book an appointment. You can even submit your documents directly onto my website as well. And I'm always open to taking additional clients. If anyone needs any, advice, we have tax advice appointments as well if you just kind of want to ask a few questions, and we're always open.
Well, thank you for being so approachable, because it makes a lot of people nervous. So I feel like we all together, producer Bree, she was kind of nervous about making those graphics. It gave her anxiety. So
right.
We'll get through it together, especially if we have Chelsea in our corner.